Hello, I'm Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let's talk more about BingX today. So let's stay tuned. As you know, on my previous video, I actually talked about BingX previously, more to introductory videos of BingX. But today, I will talk more in depth about BingX. What is so special? Copy trading benefits if you become a follower in BingX. Not just that, why BingX? What did BingX want in terms of awards? And what's so special if you registered using my referral link below? And what's so good if you become part of the affiliate partnership in BingX? Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I would love to start why BingX, because this is the most crucial point. First of all, if you look at coin market cap, you know that BingX is actually one of the higher ranking in terms of rank, in terms of trading volume in coin market cap. Not just that, in terms of award, I just want to share a little bit here and there, which is this. BingX wins Best Crypto Broker Exchange at TradingView 2021. This is actually a TradingView 2021 Broker Rewards. This is actually from Block BingX, and also you can see from investing.com as well. They actually won the same thing over and over again, and you can see here BingX actually has a lot of pros than cons, which is something new. If they're not great, then how do they win the award in the first place, right? So you can see the news all around that BingX actually won the TradingView 2021 Broker Award, which is good. So why do they win? First of all, it is because if you look at their trading platform, let me go through the trading platform here. You were able to see how user-friendly the UI is, which is everything you want to see here, it's there. And it's easier for you to find whatever you want on top of the taskbar. Not even that. Let me show you something. If you go into their apps, it's quite straightforward, where everything is shown below here. Whatever you want, home, market, spot, futures, copy trading, asset, everything you want here is there. Okay, so it's great, right? User friendly is the most important thing, because as a beginner, as I want to start to be into a crypto industry or want to start trading as a beginner in crypto, first thing is I want the UI to be as user friendly as possible. Okay, so let's get back to here, which is first of all the user friendly UI, easy to find. You can even choose a good trader with a comprehensive trader data dashboard. What do you mean by that? If you look at here, there is a copy trading. Let's click on it, and you'll be able to see, like I mentioned earlier in my previous video, if you haven't watched my previous video, remember to go check out my YouTube channel and find the latest BingX video. Okay, futures traders and spot grid traders, you can see there are two traders, two tabs that you can select. If you want to select on the futures trader tab, go ahead. Spot grid traders, go ahead. You can see there is a multiple ways that you can pick, which is trending traders, conservative traders, rising stars traders, all traders. Basically, what do I mean by data dashboard is, if you click on this guy, this particular guy, you know that there is how many followers are following him, where is he from, when he joined, about us, I assume, and you can see there is trading data all around. You can see its performance, its risk management, its top traded, so on and so forth. So it's just a matter of whether you want to pick him or don't want to pick him. But how you want to pick him is, of course, look at the data lah. If the data you think that is good, the performance you think that is good, why not, right? Just follow him. Simple as that. You don't need to know how to learn to trade. You don't need to learn how to read fundamental or technical analysis, because that guy might be an expert or he is already expert. Depends on the performance that you are specifically looking at. Okay, so let's get back to here. If you look at the trading type here, you were able to see, if I click on the copy, this guy you can copy by position. You can even copy by fixed margin or copy by spot grid, depending on the share trading account that the trader use. So if you like to copy by positions, then you go and find somebody that are similar to this guy. Probably this guy. If you like this guy, you can always click copy and see, this guy is fixed margin. So you can choose. There is 3 ways, 3 options for you, which is copy by position, copy by fixed margin, and copy by spot grid. User friendly, right? Correct? The second thing I want to say is, when you want to copy, there is always a risk management that you can set, which is traders can set with a limited leverage that you want to copy, which is, you can see margin, how much margin you want to set, maximum margin per trading from him, take profit, stop loss, everything you can set. Even the advanced setting, you can see daily copy trading amount, max position margin. So you can actually lower your risk if you want to set all this, this is actually very good as a beginner if you guys want to control your risk management, or especially if your account is so small, like probably $100, $200, $300, maybe you want to consider risk management, your own specific risk management based on how much you think that you can afford to lose. Alright, so what is the benefit of having this copy trading platform or this copy trading features? First of all, if you are just a follower, like I mentioned, you can just get passive income. You don't need to care about anything, don't need to study, just follow, study. The person, whether you're interested with the person or not, the person that you're following can see the data, the dashboard, see whether you like it or not. When you like it, just follow. And if you want to earn more passive income, you can refer your friends to follow that follower, and you will be also able to get 25% profit from the trader. Yeah, so remember to invite your friends. If you think that trader that you have been following and it has been making money for you, just introduce to your friend to follow the same guy, right? Earn money together. And not just that, earning money together, you also able to earn 25% extra from the trader itself as a referral bonus to you, right? The third thing that I want to talk about is why use my referral link. Look at here right now, BingX has officially announced a holiday referral program. You will be able to claim unlimited 50 USDT. So if you use my referral link, I'll put down the link at description below. Just click on it, or you can actually type this my referral code 4WYPJY. So put that, and you are able to claim this unlimited 50 USDT. Alright, so remember, go and claim it. Okay, so the last but not least, which is, I want to talk about the affiliate program, which is this one. BingX affiliate earn monthly passive income in crypto, up to 50% uncapped referral commission, earn 3 types of income. So if you think that you want to become their affiliate partner or their ambassador, feel free to just click on that apply, which is here, this apply now. So you're gonna apply this, fill up the form, click submit, and you will be able to go when they send you an email that you are successfully become one of their affiliate partner. Okay, so what is the process like? Let me go through with the process. How to become a BingX affiliate. Step 1, sign in a BingX account, submit your UID, which is on the form itself, and you become the affiliate. So the benefits you can see here: earn commission on every trades, weekly basic income up to $500, earn up to $2,500 a month for content making, and earn bonus up to $32,000 every month. So there is some of the requirements here and there. If you think that these requirements written there, it's suitable for you and you want to try it out, just try it out. Alright, it's a good passive income. Okay, so that's all for today's episode, and I think really you should go and just test out the BingX using my referral link, claim that $50, go and play around, and I will see you guys soon. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe, and goodbye.